Yep, that is 7.5. You can see that, and this is 7, and this is 2.5. Then you fold half an inch to the wrong side of the fabric. That's the wrong side, and this is the wrong side. So you take the right side and face it to the wrong side of the big fabric. You can see how I just put it in. Then you're going to sew on top. So after joining it, you just have to give it a nice press and iron. Then it put it on top like that. As you can see how it looks, so you just have to put it on top like that. So the fabric that you want to put in, you measure 1.5, then fold into 2, then you iron it. That's what I use. I use 1.5, then I fold into 2, and I iron it. So I'm going to sew on top like that. See how it has turned out to be. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is just a pocket on how to do a pocket on a t-shirt or any top that you want to put a pocket on it. Then you just have to put it on it. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me what you think. This is how to make a simple pocket of a t-shirt in an easy, simple way. Very easy and simple way. So the length I measure 6 inches. The length of the pocket is 6 inches. So you can see how it has turned out to be. So you just have to cut the edges out, so that when we sew at that part, that part will not be, showing out. So let's go on and join it on the fabric. Let's go and sew it on the fabric. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. You can see how it has turned out to be. So we're gonna I measure 8. Always look at the curve of the armhole. Yeah, obviously you look at the curve of the armhole. So the pocket, when I'm fixing the pocket, it should have to be low. It should have to be below the armhole, or it should have to come on top, very top on the shoulder. When you look at the curve of the armhole, they are supposed to be at the same angle with the curve of the armhole. So I measure 9, I measure 9, I measure 8.5. It depends how your armhole that you're using. So you can do this pocket on a t-shirt, any regular top, even on your Lacoste. You can do this pocket and put it on it. Any top that you want to put a pocket on it, you can just do it like that. And design one like this. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, tell me what you think. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Basically, I'm still hitting on the basics right now. I'm just hitting on the smallest part of it for you to get everything in the easy way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Tell me how you think. It's more IFC. So when you use at that point, make a notch, double stitch. So sorry, you won't make a notch, you double stitch at that point. When you double stitch, then you need to hold that place, and normally put your hands in your pocket. So when you double stitch it, kind of hold it firm. I'm just forming a triangle at that point. I'm forming a triangle at that point.